Hello friends, I just wanted to share some paintings that I've been working on the past 2 months. They are stacked, I believe, in order that I've actually painted them. Not positively sure because I didn't date them. I struggled with the pumpkin, painted it several times, but ended up liking the first one that I painted best. And then I experimented with painting some animals. I love painting nature and animals and florals. So these are my poppies from Veterans Day, and then some roses. The next painting, the Star Nebula, is my first experiment using salt on wet paint to create the stars. And the black around the dog's eyes kind of a little too powerful. Black is hard to paint with, hard to remove if you actually have too much. And then again on my Christmas truck, the black around the tires was a struggle. So I'm still going to do some touch-ups to this one. This is my latest hydrangea, and then sharing some of my smaller paintings that I've been using in attempts to make my own painted Christmas cards for this year. Blessings.